Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this Yecaye tool organizer. They sent me this item for free so I can make a video showing it to you. Looks like we can hold 4 power tools, although I'm going to see if I can sneak 6 of them in there, and I'll show you that here in a second. Then we have all these holes in the middle that we can put rod-like objects through, and we have a couple of holes along the side. That would be 3 on each of these sides. And it comes with 6 hooks that slide into these side holes so we can hang other things. You also get mounting hardware, a couple different styles of anchors and screws so you can get it all mounted up. You can see there are 3 holes along the back that we use for mounting. A couple of quick measurements for you. Left to right, this guy is 16 7/8, and coming out from the back, you're about 8 5/8 coming out. Now first off, if we look at these slotted holes right here, I have just your typical Craftsman Phillips screwdriver, and that fits pretty well, but you can see the holes are so close you really wouldn't be able to put 2 of those side by side. They'd be bumping into each other. Also, a square shaft Craftsman slotted screwdriver does not fit. That gets stuck. We could put little guys like this guy in there. I stab myself in the hand each time. Something like that. But again, even something small, you really can't put them side by side too well. But you can put them front to back. And by the time you get other tools in here, I'm not sure how that would work anyways, but these holes are in the middle if you need them. Got it all mounted up. I think it looks pretty good. I was actually able to get 8 tools on this, which we'll take a look at what's there and what fits. The screw holes are the same spacing as a pegboard, so if you have the same use as I do here, that's a little added benefit for you. For the 8 tools, we got the DeWalt heat gun. We got an impact driver behind it. You can see they both fit on there. This one, we're off the edge here, but it's on there securely. It's not going anywhere, but we're running out of space. And it's 2 3/8 drive impact wrenches, a 12 volt and 20 volt, some Skill 12 volt tools, able to fit the impact driver with a drill in front of it. You can kind of see we got to go a little goofy to get both of them on there, but look, this is advertised as holding 4 tools, so we're getting twice as much out of it. We have an oscillating tool in front here, and an LED light behind it. For the hooks, I went with some adjustable wrenches along the side, which I think is a pretty good use for the hooks. It's nice and easy to come off and on. On the other side, I went with a wrench just because I thought it was a neat idea. You're going to have 6 of these total hooks, and if you stick with just metric or just SAE most of the time, just using one or the other, 6 wrenches covers a majority of what you would need to do. So if you had to use for it like that. I did put this pair of Knipex pliers here just to show pliers don't work the greatest on these things. It's kind of a balancing act to get it to sit just right, so I'm not crazy about that use for it. Although something like this or a groove joint plier, you could slide it through the hole and hold it much more securely. You wouldn't worry about it falling off or anything. So maybe another option there. These center holes, we do have enough room. I guess we could put screwdrivers or something through, but I'm not totally crazy about them. I won't be using them. Just a quick addition, I noticed that the Milwaukee M12 tools fit really well. The fat part of the handle is too fat to fit through there, so they hang upside down really well. I have a 3/8 drive impact, I got the little buffer polisher guy, and I have the fuel hacksaw all sitting in there. Fit really nicely. Also, I have the caulk gun for DeWalt, but that fits pretty well other than this thing sticks out. I don't know. Anyway, around that. So there it is, guys. The Yecaye Power Tool Organizer. Thanks for watching.